Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your system capability. 64-bit OS, at least 8 GB RAM, and a GPU that supports DirectX 12 or Vulkan. Once confirmed, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and enable virtualization extensions. This speeds emulation and prevents crashes. Next, install up-to-date GPU drivers and any runtime packs the emulator requires, because missing runtimes cause silent failures. Finally, download the verified emulator build. Make sure the checksum matches the release note so you avoid corrupted installers and wasted time. You now install and configure the emulator. Run the installer with administrator privileges and pick a dedicated folder to avoid permission issues. Once installed, open Settings and choose Vulkan or DirectX 12 based on your GPU. Vulkan often performs better on modern cards. Allocate CPU cores and roughly 1/2 of your RAM for stable performance, and set the storage path to a fast drive. Then map your controller. Enable asynchronous shaders or frame pacing options, and save a profile so you don't repeat this setup. To finish, import games legally and verify file integrity and region or format compatibility. Improper files produce crashes. Run a short play session and watch GPU/CPU temps and frame stability to confirm settings are sound. If you hit issues, start by updating GPU drivers and the emulator, then try switching graphics API or lowering resolution. Check the emulator logs for missing DLLs or shader compile errors. Those log entries tell you exactly what runtime or file is absent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.